Hi Warriors, it's myself, DeCrans here, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you guys how to draw cylinders. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your paper, and let's see, hopefully you can kind of see it. So I got a sheet of paper right here, and the first thing I'm going to do is kind of figure out where I want to draw some cylinders. So for this project you're going to draw 5 different cylinders. So to get the points for a good use of space, you want the paper to feel like a picture frame. And if you're going to look at a picture frame, you want things to be tank cylinders or just can cylinders, kind of think about what you wanted to do and where you kind of want to put things. Something right here. This is where I'm going to have my cylinders at. I'll start out by kind of, you just draw on either very simple rectangles, a little line same distance from here to here, is from here to the cylinder. And it goes all the way up the cylinder, and it's just parallel to the curve on the very top of the cylinder and parallel to the curve on the very bottom of the cylinder. I'm going to draw this really light because, you know, I might erase it. I'm not sure what I'm going to put right here right this very second. But just a nice curved line all the way up, all the way down the cylinder. Okay, and then so once you have that curved line, now if you're going to have any like labels or anything on that curved line, it's going to match up to the cylinder itself. So here, if I want to have, maybe I'll make a lid, and I'll have this be like a lid to this can or something. And I'll just darken that curve I'm going to keep. I'm going to make a sides to the lid. So I have a lid. And then I want to have a label on here. I just match that top of the label. Up to the sides of the can. Maybe this is the bottom of the label. Matches right up to the parallel line. Then if I want to have any words on the cylinder, imagine like you have your parallel lines in the middle, and the letters themselves will go straight up and down, but the top and the bottom of the letters would match up to that same curve. So see how they match up the same curve? So like words. And we can't see the details coming off. But anyways, that's how you draw the words. Maybe there's like a UPC label or something like that. You have the same curve. Things are going straight up and down. It's a UPC. I don't know. But anyways, you're going to get the idea. So like the parallel curves, or the same curve going up and down, that's kind of how you then know where to draw the words, where to draw the labels, where to draw everything at. So here, I'll make this one, maybe I'll make this into a pencil, because I got a pencil right here. So then I got, for the very top where the eraser is, the same curve. Going through, and then you have an eraser end of the eraser. This pencil's got some little lines in it, so then I'll draw some lines where the pencil is. And then I'll take this bottom of the curve and I'll make it into a nice little tip for the pencil. And you have the weird edges or whatever with a pencil tip. So simple thing. Now, so you kind of get the idea. I'm going to draw, what if it happens if you have like something that's a cylinder that's like not the same shape. So I'll make this into a bottle here. Maybe like a water bottle or something. So you have the rectangle, and right in the center of the rectangle, it's going to draw a little line to help me out where the center is. I'm going to draw another box up on top of it. So I got two rectangles, one rectangle on top of the other rectangle. Now if I want to make this into a bottle, I'm going to do the same thing here, where I'm going to have a little line going down from where the center is, and then I'll make a curve, and have the curve go all the way around. Then I'll draw a line straight up on top where the center is, same distance from the center to the bottom for the center to the top, and I'll just make a nice little curved line. Now I got the very bottom of the bottle. I'll make a little line right here, and it'll be the same distance from the center to the bottom as the center to the bottom right here. And then I'll make a curve on the very bottom of this. And then you can just, from here, you can erase the lines in the middle. Now maybe this is a glass bottle. If it's a glass bottle, you might see the back side of it, so you could draw all the way around. If it's a glass bottle, this would be a little lighter since it's behind the bottle, a little darker in the front. Now if you want to make it into like a bottle, then all you do is you have the sides here, and right when you come down, you just kind of make a little curve. Get the sides on their side, and make a little curve. Maybe you have a top to your bottle. So now you go back to the parallel lines. So you have parallel lines going up and down the whole cylinder. So parallel lines going up and down the entire cylinder. So if I want to have like a little label, the label itself would be parallel, parallel curve, same curve. Going up and down, and then you could draw, maybe there's liquid inside. If there's still liquid inside, you might just draw an oval, parallel curve all the way around where you have liquid still inside the bottle. Then if you'd have like any stripes on here, stripes would follow the same curve. And have any wording or lettering. Would all follow the same curve. So kind of get the idea for bottles, for pencils, for things, same curve going up and down, same curve. And then you just draw the next two here to kind of finish it up. Now the thing about this is I can easily draw like cylinders and stuff in basic shapes, but now if I want to draw like a can of Coca-Cola, a can of Mountain Dew, I have to look at that. You know, open up your laptop and Google image like what you're interested in drawing. If you like Pringles, like yeah, I like Pringles. It's easy to draw a Pringle can, but like I can't draw that weird guy with a mustache without looking at that guy with a mustache. So you know, make sure you take a look at the pictures or images for decorating the pictures and the images that you're gonna draw. So you got your 5 cylinders. You're gonna draw the 5 cylinders out, and then the next part would be to do the shading, which I'll kind of show you in the next video.